Hello again, my friends, from the same series, Fixing Things for Friends. Today I have a Bosch Pimmer, and that's a MSM6250 400 watts. Let's see what's wrong with this guy. What I noticed first, the rubber here, it's pretty smashed near the contacts. That's not a problem so far, but like usually, before anything else, we have to check for short. Never plug anything to the mains before checking for short. Nothing wrong here. Okay. So far so good. No short. Shall we try to plug it in? Okay. Finger cross. Sounds good. I don't see any problem with this guy. Sounds very good. The parts in there, you see that wheel there, it's looking good. You see that? It feels okay. Is that a broken teeth? No, that's the way it is. Oh, that's not moving. And these are the parts to keep the pimmer or the knives itself, in place. Okay, let's put this. Is there any special way to have this in place? Oh. Okay, very clear. So we have a problem with this guy. I don't even know how can I take this out. It's very clear a mechanical problem. I'm happy about that because there's no electronic involved here. How can we dismantle this guy? I'm pretty sure we have to take off this rubber stuffs. No, maybe this one. I never ever encountered this kind of device. I mean, this specific model. Nothing here. Let's try like this. From up here. Okay, I got the feeling there are no screws here involved, but plastic clips. Aha! And now I can push up. That's it. Like I said, just plastic clips. Never possible. Okay. This side it's done. Let's go to these guys. Same maneuver to take this apart. Okay, there we go. Pam pam. Okay, what we got here? Except dirty insects. Oh man, beautiful. Contacts electrically, it's fine. No doubt. The motor looks okay, so I believe the problem it's here somewhere. It shouldn't be. We got no gears here. Well, I thought there is a gear related problem, but it's not, because there are no gears. It's a, let's call it direct drive. Okay, this is pretty stuck. I don't want to smash anything here. Pour some oil. It's the best I can do. This will go in there. This will infiltrate very easy. Yes, I can have these things back because obviously it's nothing. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's clean it. Yeah, so nothing wrong with the motor, everything is fine here. Let's have a test. Sounds very nice. Sounds very good. Okay. So I believe the problem is this guy. But I'm afraid I can't do a thing here. Yeah. Oh, it's even getting hot. So probably here we have a bearing which is gone. It sounds like a ruined bearing and it's really getting hot. Probably I need to take this out from here. I'll be right back. We can see we have like 32 degrees, but if I'm start moving this, yeah, we got friction there, and it's also the sound of broken bearing. Well, unfortunately nothing to do for now. You see this one here, it's I don't know how I call that in English, but anyway, it's piece in piece, somehow soldered, and to open this up I have to cut it, effectively cut it, and then this is kind of inoxidable steel. I don't know if I can put it back together. That's a problem. So for now, nothing to do. I'm sorry. Probably this kind of heads can be both separate. I'm not sure. Well, anyway, thanks for looking. Don't forget to subscribe and push the like button. My channel needs you. Thanks to my sponsors. Thank you, Radu, Vlad, and Czech. And I'll be back soon with some other stuff. Okay? See you. Bye-bye.